we are going to discuss Kiss Beauty press on nails today. Have you guys heard of this brand before? Anyway, I have just recently discovered them and it is my first time using any sort of press on nails. I have bought them before, but this is my first time actually trying them out. This brand is constantly posting about Huda Beauty and Kim Kardashian and other celebrities, wearing their nails. So I'm like, I want to get on that action. First thing that came to my mind was, are they available in India? And they are. They have website, they have Instagram. I quickly purchased like 2 pairs to review for you guys, and just 2 days after that they had a, wait for it, a sale running, like buy 2 get 1 free, and that kind of broke me, not gonna lie. This Guju heart cannot handle being played like that. So if you're gonna order from them, maybe wait for like a festival or something like that. Raksha Bandhan really did me dirty. You know what, don't go buying just yet. Watch the video first. You don't know what I'm gonna say, good, bad, we don't know. Stay tuned. Show you what I have received from them along with the nails. Oh, that's not a good sign. You get a nail kit like this. You have this nail pusher, a buffer and a glue. They didn't give me any glue tabs, which I prefer if I'm not like planning to keep these nails on for like days, and maybe I just want to put them on for like a day or for like a video shooting or whatever. If I want them just for a few hours, say for a video, if I want a cute nails, after that I want to look like a homeless woman for a week. So tabs would have definitely helped in that case. We don't get them here, so move on. Let's see how they look. The first one that I ordered looked something like this on the website, and the price is $6.99 and plus 100 rupees for shipping. And second pair, I splurged on this one, and this one was about 1850 rupees. So yeah, I hope they're good. They sent you 24 nails, so you'll definitely find the perfect size for your fingers, sizes and nail size, the curves and width. You get the idea, right? It's awesome that they sent 24 nails for 10 fingers. That's a good sign. So we're gonna note down good and bad things in this review. So the first good thing is they sent 24 nails, which means accurate size is like guaranteed, and I take it very seriously because that's the quickest way someone can figure out if someone has used pressed or instead of acrylic or whatever you get at the salon. People can figure it out if size is like crusty or coming out on the end, or if you can see your original nail, stuff like that. You know how it looks, right? Let's avoid that. Bad thing is no sticky tabs or glue tabs, what do you call it, you get the idea. Moving on, let me show you how these are actually looking in real life compared to the photo on the website. So far I'm liking this. The finish is glossy. I was a bit scared of it looking like a real fake, but I don't really hate it. I like it. I kind of like it. So they are not like acrylic I get at salon, but these are definitely way more affordable, considering you can reuse this. So I'm not really mad. The only thing that I would change is probably the size. I didn't expect them to be this long, but that's on me. I chose the large option on the website. I guess this is large. I mean, if Rihanna can rock this, so should I, or at least try. Excited for the second pair. This is the one that caught my eye, and this is pretty simple but French nails with animal print. So I love it. Are you excited? I'm super duper excited. Why are they looking so goddamn cheap for no reason? I mean, Wouldn't you agree? The transparent part is making it look so plasticky. I suppose it's because they didn't actually use a gel polish on this, or any polish for that matter. Now that I look at it, these are cheap factory made nails. This is machine printed, guys, in a bulk. Like, let me show you a comparison. You see the similarity in this quality. The green one was like 30 rupees. I literally got this green one from a local shop where I just went to buy like a lip balm, and it was 30 rupees. So I got it because I wanted to try if I would, you know, ever like press on nails, but I couldn't try them on because the size is all messed up. And it looks really cheap too, but the size is like you have to buffer it and cut it according to your size and everything. It's the quality. 30 rupees, 700 rupees. What? Why would you have same quality nail for that much amount? And I cannot believe I spent 700 rupees for this plus shipping. Now that I look closely, the other pair doesn't look. Oh, the dogs. I'm just gonna let them talk. They have number written on top of the nails, on the inner side of the nail, so that way you can remember which number fit you perfectly. That way next time you can just pick those nails out of 24 next time you're reusing this. Now that I look closely, this other pair doesn't look handmade either. I mean, okay, so if it's not handmade but these are just so thin, right? I mean, you can still wear this pair, this one. It's not that bad, but the transparent one, the previous one, oh my god, that is such a disappointment. I mean, definitely didn't want to pay that much for that quality. It shouldn't cost this much. I'm sure I have seen such designs on other Instagram pages for way less money than this. You know, you would think that the most safest and assured way to get a product quality is to go with the big guys, right? That way there is like less probability of them failing at it. That's what I thought, and this happened. Final test, let's put this pink French nails on, and I'm getting my sizes for that. You can also check the number given here on top of each nail. That way you don't have to measure both hands. You can just grab the same number nails for your other hand. Another tip I found about sizes while watching 1000 videos on how to do it is that your ring finger and your pointer finger, they are the same size for your nails. I'm gonna do all those things you're supposed to do before you put on your press on nails. That's in another video. I didn't want to make this video so long, so that video is called how to wear press on nails. I'll link it down below along with other nail videos. By the time this video is up, I must have reviewed like few other nail brands in India, so I'll link all those videos down below in description box. Let's put these babies on. Final result. I guess this doesn't look so cheap in lighting, but in direct sunlight you can see through them. That kind of like, you know, makes it look super cheap. However, you can get away with colors like this. The other pair with the brown shade, you can clearly see through them, and I don't think I'll wear plastic looking thing like that ever. But yeah, this doesn't look so bad, so you definitely have to choose your colors accordingly. Definitely not value for money. I don't think how they are charging 700 rupees for something like this. I don't think that's okay. I feel terrible for wasting my money, so save yours.